Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share your Telegram channel link. First, open Telegram. And then from here, find the channel you want to share. So in my case, this is the channel I want to share. Let me just click that. Alright, once you're on the channel, tap the name of the channel located at the top. And then from here, you'll see subscribers. Tap on that. Once you're in here, you'll have an option to tap invite link. And then on the three dots located on the right, when you tap that, you'll have an option to copy the link. Now you can paste the link to other social media platforms. You'll also have an option in here to get a QR code. So this QR code can be scanned by those person you want to add, or you can also share this QR code on any social media platforms that you choose. And that's how to share your Telegram channel link. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.